As I went a-walking one fine summer morning, the birds in the bushes did warble and sing. Fine laddies and lasses and couples were sporting, going down to the factory, their work to begin. I spied one amongst them, more fairer than any. Her cheeks were like roses that none can excel, her skin like the lily that grows in yonder valley, and she was a hard-working factory girl. I stepped up beside her to view her more closely, when on me she cast such a look of disdain. Young man, have some manners, and do not come near me, for although I'm a poor girl, I think it no shame. Oh, it's not for to scorn you, fair maid, I adore you. Pray grant me one favour, say where do you dwell? Kind sir, you'll excuse me, for now I must leave you, for yonder's the sound of my factory bell. But I have land, I have houses, I adorn them with ivy. I have gold in my pockets and silver as well. And if you'll come with me, it's a lady I'll make you, and you won't have to heed your factory bell. Oh, it's love and temptation are our ruination. Go find you some lady, and I'm sure you'll do well. But I am an orphan, without friend or relation, and forby I'm a hard-working factory girl. And with these words she turned, and with less she has left me. And it's all for her sake I'll go wander away. I'll find some deep valley where no one shall know me, and it's there I'll mourn my factory girl.